This is a video of a gas cap fuel gauge. I got this with an Allis Chalmers WC tractor, so it should work on all the Allis WC, WD, WD-45. And there's a cork in the end there. There's a cork floats. You can see the level goes up. And there's a little spring on the bottom there. Looks like a wood cap on the top. It uses that type of fastener. It's about 18 inches long overall, and from the cap to the bottom is 13 inches. So like this Allis Chalmers C, it's too long. See, it's about an inch too long. But that would be the type of opening that it would work in. So it's in good shape. I never used it. I took it out, put a regular cap on. But I seen one of these sell on eBay last week for I think $111. So that kind of gave me the impetus to put this on eBay. See if I can make a little money on it. And it's aluminum tubing. Looks like probably a tin or steel cap. And this thing doesn't really weigh much. Between a pound, 1 and 2 pounds. And it would be shipped in about a 18-inch long box. And it'd have to be about probably 4 inches square. So thanks for looking at this video for my eBay auction.